time round, the MAC worked apart from the nodes, I think, which I need a direct fill.
First 31, Conningsby, approach identify 580, traffic service, echo correct.
Traffic service.
First 31, just confirm, is this radar to visual or visual approach?
Traffic request radar to visual.
First 31, roger, turn left 10 degrees, say your rollout heading.
Yeah, go for it.
First 31, left 10, rolling out 120 degrees.
First 31, roger, maintain present heading, set Conningsby QFE, 9 pressure, 1000 hectopascals.
It's 1000 set.
Rampage, descent to height 5,000 feet.
Rampage descending height 5,000.
Okay, Nightmare 1 and 2 on the deck in 20. Nightmare 1 green, Nightmare 2 is amber for red mid.
Copy, 20 minutes green and amber.
2.2.
Second.
2.2 in the clear.
I copy, yeah, just over 2.1.
17 check back. Okay, 3, 4. Cosmonaut, good morning, Havoc 1-1, flight of 4, request taxi 25 from Echo with Info Delta.
Havoc 1-1 flight, Conningsby, ground taxi holding point Bravo 1, we are now information Echo, QFE change to 1000 and recovery state change, we are now Visrex, carry super radar, Bristol, IFR 3 and 41 Squadron, Valley, VFR 11 and Cobra Warrior.
Echo QFE 1000, copy, taxi, Havoc.
2.2.
Second.
2.2 in the clear.
I copy, yeah, just over 2.1.
Rogue check. You working GPS, happy to start. 3, 4.
Road start.
Rampage 31, descent to height 3,000 feet.
Rampage 31, descending height 3,000. Check.
Okay.
Conningsby Nightmare with you, final 100. Sorry, sir. Nightmare 2-1 flight comes in approach, identify file 100 traffic service, fuel price acknowledged on number 1. Have you covered information code Echo?
Native request Echo 9.
Nightmare, roger. Echo, runway 25, currently probably getting yellow 1, but we have visual recoveries, careful for radar, Bristol IFR for 3 Squadron and 41 Squadron, and Valley VFR for 11 Squadron and Cobra Warrior traffic. The last changes are runway, QFE and recovery state. Echo 9. And Nightmare, report ready for descent. Nightmare, ready to descent. Nightmare, roger. Just going to maintain your current heading at this moment in time. There is traffic departing Waddington, southeast, 15 miles, tracking northeast, 3 ship, currently passing 120, 110 and 80 respectively. ASAP. Nightmare, I'm just going to maintain for up to 100 until clears that traffic. That's a left 635 when able. Roger, stand by. I'm just going to make sure the last element is no longer a factor and I'll turn you left beneath. It's clear, continue with contact to Tower, 2.
Done 2, many thanks, push 2.